Hi and welcome. Today, we are diving into a super important task for any business owner using QuickBooks: how to categorize your expenses. Getting this right is the key to clean books and a stress-free tax season, so let's get started. First, let's talk about what categorization even is. Think of it like sorting your groceries. You don't just throw everything into one bag. You have a bag for produce, a bag for dairy, and so on. In QuickBooks, you do the same with your money. Every time you spend money, you assign it to a category, like office supplies, rent, or meals and entertainment. These categories come from your chart of accounts, which is basically your business's financial filing cabinet. So, why is this so important? Well, for three big reasons. 1. It gives you an accurate profit and loss report. This report tells you if you're making or losing money, and you can only trust it if your expenses are sorted correctly. 2. It makes tax time a breeze. Your accountant needs your expenses properly categorized to maximize your deductions and file your taxes correctly. And 3. It helps you make smarter business decisions. If you see you're spending a huge amount on advertising, you can look at the data and decide if it's giving you a good return. Now for the fun part: how to actually do it in QuickBooks. You'll want to go to your Banking or Transactions tab on the left-hand menu. This is where all the transactions from your connected bank and credit card accounts show up. You will see a list of transactions under a tab called For Review. QuickBooks is pretty smart and will often suggest a category for each expense. For example, a charge from Chevron might be automatically suggested as fuel or automobile expense. If the suggestion is correct, you just click the Confirm or Add button. If it's wrong, or if it's blank, it's easy to fix. Just click on the transaction to open up more details. You'll see a drop-down box for a category. Click it, and you can scroll through your list of accounts or start typing to find the right one. Maybe that Chevron charge was actually for snacks for the office, so you'd change it to office supplies or meals. Once you select the right category, click Add. Let's move on to a huge time-saving tip: using rules. If you have recurring expenses from the same vendor, like your monthly software subscription, you can create a rule to categorize it automatically every time. After you categorize a transaction, you might see an option to create a rule. Clicking this will let you tell QuickBooks, for example, that any transaction with the word Adobe in the description should always be categorized as software and subscriptions. You set the rule once, and QuickBooks does the work for you from then on. This will save you hours of manual data entry each month. So, to recap, proper categorization is vital for accurate reports, easy tax prep, and smart decisions. You can do it manually from the banking feed or save time by creating rules for your common expenses. I really hope this guide helped you feel more confident in managing your QuickBooks account. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials and small business tips. See you in the next video.